I love to sit on my deck and look up into the trees and listen to the birds. And the cars go by. Just kind of look around. And listen. All of the noises. Now I'm going to close my eyes. Sorry if it's a little shaky. I hear a lawnmower off in the distance. And lots of different birds. There's a truck backing up somewhere. If you live in the city, and if you have lots of trees around, whatever it is, sitting outside and just listening to the noises can be a form of meditation. Anyway, I hope you all enjoy your day. Take some time to slow down, even if it's only a couple of minutes. This video so far has only been a little over 3 minutes, so anyway, I just thought I'd put it out there to show you how quickly you can connect with nature. Have a great day.